Hello sir, hello ma'am. I'm Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about what is the MVC architecture in the Java. First, let us discuss about what is the MVC architecture in the Java. The MVC architecture, the model is designed by using the MVC architecture. The MVC architecture, there are the three layers. Model model first layer is model. The model is represent the business the model is represent the business application layer. The model is it is an object of the data, and also it contains the logic when the logic is updated whenever data is changed. Then second layer is view. The view is represent the application representation application layer. It is visualize the data when in model is contains. Then third layer is controller. The controller contains the both models and view. The model when the data is the flow of data. It is the representation of the flow of the data. When the data flow is contain the model object, and when the code is visualized and code is retried and update the logic, then it calls the view. It uses the view. There are how to flow up the MVC architecture in the Java. The MVC the browser is send the request to the controller. Then controller is calls the controller it calls the model gathering the request. Then also controller is sends the data when the data is updated and exchange to retries the code. Then fourth then again send the feedback and output send the request also to the view to the model controller. Then what is the advantages of the MVC model? The MVC model is by using if we use the MVC model, the application growth of the application is growth of the application. Then second, the MVC model maintain the easily because no any dependency. Then MVC model MVC model contain the three layers: model, view, and controller. Developer is used to simultaneously. When the MVC architecture is used to in our software, then code is easy to understandable. Then MVC model, the model object the model object is reused the view multiple times. Multiple times is reuse the view. So reusability of the code. It is the advantages of the MVC model, and it is the flow of the MVC model architecture. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am.